Hi, Bob the Canadian here. I thought I would make a special video this week just to say welcome to all of the new subscribers who have joined my channel over the last 2 weeks. I went from 25,000 subscribers to almost 60,000 in 10 days. So many of you are new here. Many of you, though, have been here for a long time, over 2 years for some of you. But I just want to say welcome to my new subscribers and thank you to all of my subscribers, especially those that have been with me since the beginning. As you know by now, I am Bob the Canadian. I make English lesson videos on YouTube, and I make them for people like you to learn a bit more English and to practice your English. And I do 3 main kinds of videos each week. I do a new video every Tuesday morning at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that is usually a short 7 to 8 minute video lesson where you can improve your English skills. I also do a live lesson on Friday mornings at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll try to put links up here for you guys. And those lessons are usually for beginner to intermediate people who are learning English. And they're about 30 minutes long, and I usually cover a specific topic. I also do a Saturday evening at 7:15 p.m. Saturday Eastern Standard Time. I do a live question and answer session where you can come and do some listening practice by listening to me answer questions that people ask in the chat. You're welcome to answer questions. You're welcome to ask questions about me or about the English language in general. Overall, I really enjoy doing this channel. It is super fun for me each week. For those of you that don't know, I am an actual high school teacher. I teach French, I teach business, I teach computer studies, and once in a while, they let me teach English. But I am trained, my university degree is in teaching languages. So, welcome to the channel. Before you go though, you could check out this video, which is one of my typical Tuesday lessons, or this video, which is a typical Friday morning lesson, or this video, which is a typical Saturday evening lesson, or these videos, which are videos from my other channel where I do short 1-minute English lessons every day of the week.